one of how to get the new car. So you gotta go in your offline and go to the Ford's map. So follow where I go. It'll be somewhere around here somewhere. Okay, I better use a plane or any kind of plane you want. So yeah. Okay, so follow where I go. Okay. See that one? See that one? That's the spot where is the secret car. So okay. Behind this computer is something very interesting. It's a car. So you gotta go small. Sorry for the error. Okay, so we gotta go small like this. And like this. Let me just delete this. And there's your first car right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, there's the new car. Let me zoom in a little bit. Enjoy your new car. Enjoy your new car.